¿Alguien ha probado esto? Este sistema? This system? Tomato plants? So we're gonna try. We have two different ones. I think the different tomatoes. Yeah, so we have. Tenemos tomates en racimo o en rama y tomates cherry. So the baby cherry tomatoes and vine tomatoes. The instructions for both are the same. Las instrucciones para ambos son lo mismo. So it says that in a separate container, 2.5 cups of water. And put the pellet, this, until it's fully expanded. Hay que poner esto en un recipiente con 2 tazas y media de agua hasta que se expanda completamente. So I'm going to use this pot. Voy a usar esta olla. There we go. So here goes the first. It says to leave overnight for better results. So maybe we're gonna do that with both and continue this video tomorrow. Y vamos a continuar el video mañana mejor. See you tomorrow. Nos vemos mañana. Wow. We left this overnight soaking. This is how both look. So now we're supposed to just do what? ¿Qué hay que hacer ahora? Okay, so now we have to loosen this. I'm gonna change these pots because I don't have, they're too small, I think. Yeah, so this pot is gonna be too big. I'm just gonna top it with my other soil. Carefully open the package with the seeds because they're very tiny. These seeds are ridiculously small. I mean, look at it. They don't even, very, very small. These are for the mini tomatoes. So I'm just gonna cover them with a little bit of dirt after I'm done here. Because I have to do the other one, right? And there we go. Just need to, yeah, this one came out less water. Bien cagados con la semilla. They give me like 5 seeds per pot. And then I'll just chop this up and that's it. I'll keep you updated.